The history of computers. Who invented the first computer? Today, it is hard to imagine life without computers. We use them for work, education, communication, entertainment, and even artificial intelligence. But have you ever wondered who invented the first computer and how it all began? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating history of computers and discover how they evolved into the powerful machines we use today. The history of computers actually began thousands of years ago. Around 2,500 years ago, the ancient Chinese developed the abacus, one of the earliest tools used for counting and calculations. Although it was very simple, it helped people perform mathematical operations much faster than doing everything by hand. In 1642, the French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented a mechanical calculator called the Pascaline. It could perform addition and subtraction automatically. A few years later, the German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz improved the idea by creating a machine that could also multiply and divide. These inventions became important milestones in the development of modern computers. In 1822, the English mathematician Charles Babbage introduced a revolutionary concept. He designed a machine called the difference engine to perform complex mathematical calculations automatically. Later, he developed an even more advanced design called the analytical engine. This machine included many of the essential components found in modern computers, such as memory, a processing unit, and the ability to follow program instructions. Although it was never fully built because of the technological limitations of the time, Charles Babbage is widely recognized as the father of the computer. Working alongside Babbage was Ada Lovelace, who is considered the world's first computer programmer. She wrote the first algorithm intended for the analytical engine and predicted that computers could one day do much more than calculate numbers. She imagined that they could create music, process text, and solve a wide variety of problems. Her vision was far ahead of its time. During the 1930s and 1940s, electronics advanced rapidly, leading to the creation of the first electronic computers. In 1946, the United States introduced ENIAC, one of the world's first large-scale electronic computers. It weighed nearly 30 tons, occupied about 170 square meters of space, and contained more than 18,000 vacuum tubes. It consumed an enormous amount of electricity, but for its time, ENIAC was a remarkable achievement. It could perform thousands of calculations every second, making it far faster than any previous machine. A major breakthrough came in 1947 with the invention of the transistor. Transistors replaced bulky vacuum tubes and made computers much smaller, faster, more reliable, and more energy efficient. This invention completely transformed the computer industry and opened the door to future innovations. Another milestone arrived in 1971 when the first commercial microprocessor was introduced. Instead of using many separate electronic components, an entire central processing unit could now fit onto a single tiny chip. This made personal computers possible and began a new era in computing. During the 1970s and 1980s, personal computers became increasingly common in homes, schools, and offices. As technology continued to improve, computers became more affordable and easier to use. The rise of the internet connected people around the world and changed the way we communicate, learn, work, and share information. Today, even an ordinary smartphone is millions of times more powerful than ENIAC, one of the first electronic computers. Modern computers are used in artificial intelligence, robotics, medicine, scientific research, space exploration, finance, and countless other fields. Researchers are now developing quantum computers, which could solve problems that are impossible for today's most powerful machines. In conclusion, the journey of the computer began with a simple abacus and evolved through centuries of innovation.